Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss wallboards, specifically how to make them from scratch. So, first things first, let's go to Realtime Wallboards. Then up here at the top right hand side, click New Wallboard. Now you'll notice that it produces a lot of different templates for us here. So you can see here, we're going to focus specifically on the custom aspect of wallboards rather than using a template, but templates are an option for you. Okay, I'm going to label this, just call this Custom Wallboard. Background image, I'm going to add one here. This is completely optional, up to you, but it really does add some pizzazz to your customization experience. So there's one that I had previously. I'll add that in here. You can also just add a color, like a blank color background if you want to do that as well. That is an option. It's by default transparent. Okay, there we go. Once that's done, click apply. We can come in here and add different values or widgets, as we call them, on the right-hand side. If I go ahead and add in, let's just say, a title value widget, a simple title value widget, allowing me to go through and add a specific metric to that as well. There are other videos showing you how to do this, but let me show you really quickly with the video pause what this looks like. Then I might want to put a leaderboard widget in here, like so. Notice that I changed the background color, I changed the header, I changed the font, I changed the rows and the color of the rows. That's all options that you can do within the customization of the wallboard. Now, there are other videos showing you how to do those specifically. To save time on the video, just wanted to show you the options that were available to you, but that's basically it. And then the last thing here, though self-explanatory, is you can size these widgets to fit the space that you want. So aesthetically speaking or functionally speaking. So as an example, if I want to have more agents here, instead of just the 4 that I have in my system here, you want to probably expand that so it's a little bit wider, a little bit taller, if you will. That way you can see all of them rather than have to scroll, because if there are agents within the spot, you have to scroll down like that. See? So make sure that you fit it to size, and you can just do that by grabbing the corner of the arrows or just the sides and moving them the way you want. Okay, same thing with this little widget up here. You can size that as well. Now, lastly, make sure you do this, this is very important, is to save your work, right? Top right hand side, click save and exit. This will put you back to the main page here with the templates, and that's how it's done.